Hello children, this video is for class 2, subject mathematics, topic subtraction, page number 52, and this video is prepared by Alka Sharma. Children, in this video we will learn subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing hundreds. So let's start. First example is subtract 73 from 369. So start from ones. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Write 6 under ones and now subtract tens. Children, we cannot subtract 7 from 6, so we will borrow from 100. So in 100, 3 becomes 2 and in tens, 6 becomes 16. 100 means 10 tens. 10 tens plus 6 tens is equal to 16. So now subtract 7 from 16. Answer is 9. Write 9 under tens and now subtract 100. In 100 only number 2 is there, so you will write 2 under hundreds. So 369 minus 73 is equal to 296. Next example is 112 minus 51. Subtract ones. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now subtract tens. Children, we cannot subtract 5 from 1, so we will borrow from 100. So there is 1 in hundreds place, it will become 0 and 1 of tens becomes 11. So 11 minus 5 is equal to 6 and in hundreds place 0 will be there. So 112 minus 51 is equal to 61. Next example is 504 minus 62. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Children, we cannot subtract 6 from 0, so we will borrow. So 5 becomes 4 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Write 4 under tens and now subtract hundreds. In hundreds only single number 4 is there, so we will write 4 under hundreds. So answer is 442. Next example is subtract 331 from 628. So first subtract ones. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Write 7 under 1. Now subtract tens. We cannot subtract 3 from 2, so we will borrow. So 6 becomes 5 in hundreds and 2 becomes 12 in tens. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9 and 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So 628 minus 331 is equal to 291. Next, 746 minus 254. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now hundreds. We cannot subtract now tens. In tens we cannot subtract 5 from 4. So we will borrow. So 7 of 100 becomes 6 and 4 of tens becomes 14. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9 and 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So 746 minus 254 is equal to 492. Next example is 876 minus 786. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Children, we cannot subtract 8 from 7, so we will borrow. So 8 becomes 7 in hundreds place and 7 becomes 17 in tens place. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9 and 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So 876 minus 786 is equal to 90. Next, 937 minus 852. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Now, we cannot subtract 5 from 3, so we will borrow. So 9 becomes 8 and 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. And 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Next example is 482 minus 190. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Now, we cannot subtract 9 from 8, so we will borrow. 4 becomes 3 in hundreds place and 8 becomes 18 in tens place. So 18 minus 9 is equal to 9 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So answer is 292. Next, 266 minus 175. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Now, we cannot subtract 7 from 6, so we will borrow. 2 becomes 1 and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Next example is 534 minus 281. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Children, we cannot subtract 8 from 3, so we will borrow. 5 becomes 4 and 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5 and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So 564 minus 281 is equal to 253. Next example is subtract 80 from 379. So it starts from 1. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. Children, we cannot subtract 8 from 7, so we will borrow. So 3 in hundreds place becomes 2 and 7 in tens place becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. And in hundreds place only 2 number is there, so we will write 2 under hundreds. So 379 minus 80 is equal to 299. Next example is 406 minus 25. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. And children, we cannot subtract 2 from 0, so we will borrow. 4 becomes 3 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. And in hundreds place only 3 number is left. So we will write 3 under hundreds. So 406 minus 25 is equal to 381. Next sum is 730 minus 370. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Children, we cannot subtract 7 from 33, so we will borrow. 7 becomes 6 and 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6 and 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So 730 minus 370 is equal to 360. Next sum is 487 minus 294. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Children, we cannot subtract 9 from 8, so we will borrow. 4 becomes 3 and 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. And 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 487 minus 294 is equal to 193. Next sum is 853 minus 292. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Children, we cannot subtract 9 from 5, so we will borrow. 8 becomes 7 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. And 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 853 minus 292 is equal to 561. Next example is 180 minus 90. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Children, we cannot subtract 9 from 8, so we will borrow. So 1 becomes 0 and 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9, and in hundreds place 0 number is there, so we will write 0 under hundreds. So 180 minus 90 is equal to 90. Next, 165 minus 80. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Children, we cannot subtract 8 from 6, so we will borrow. 1 becomes 0 in hundreds and 6 becomes 16 in tens. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. And in hundreds place 0 is there, so we will write 0 under hundreds. So 165 minus 80 is equal to 85. Next example is 937 minus 344. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Children, here we cannot subtract 4 from 3, so we will borrow. 9 becomes 8 and 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. And 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So 937 minus 344 is equal to 593. Next example is subtract 210 from 403. So in ones, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. In tens, 0 minus 1. Children, we cannot subtract 1 from 0, so we will borrow from hundreds. In 100, 4 becomes 3 and in tens, 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. In hundreds, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 403 minus 210 is equal to 193. Next example is subtract 150 from 300. So in ones, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. In tens, 0 minus 5. Children, we cannot subtract 5 from 0, so we will borrow from 100. 3 becomes 2 and 0 becomes 10. So in tens, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, and in hundreds, 3 minus 1 is equal to, not 3, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So answer is 150. Thank you.